Definitely not a fan issue, not an LED issue. So it's either the controller, the splitter, or the software. There's one bank and 0 issues. But adding the extra 3 off the splitter, I believe, is what's causing issues. But I don't know if it's the hardware side or the software side. Some LEDs will just go dead. Some LEDs will be different colors. It's just very sporadic. So you would think it's a bad fan or bad LEDs. But then they all kick back where they need to. Color spectrums are fine. It's just whatever's controlling it is not fine.